Remove gray hair and stop hair loss using only this ingredient. To take care of the hair as it deserves, there are a lot of products, but these in the long run cause side effects, and in some cases people are usually allergic to them. This does not mean that it's the only option available. There are also natural treatments with which you can take care of hair. One of them is coconut oil, which is a natural ingredient full of beneficial properties both for our general health, as well to help us maintain our natural beauty. Here we will tell you how it is that you can use coconut oil to combat gray hair and hair loss. How to use coconut oil to care for your hair. Coconut oil is nowadays one of the natural beauty products most used by women all over the world, both to moisturize and treat the skin as well as one to take care of the hair. Eliminate gray hair and combat hair loss with this powerful ingredient that nature has given us. 1. Mix 3 teaspoons of coconut oil with 2 sage oil. 2. Bring the mixture over low heat until it becomes a highly homogeneous preparation. Then remove from the heat and let it cool. 3. Eliminate gray hair and combat hair loss by applying this treatment to your hair before going to sleep. Wrap your hair in a cap and let the preparation work all night. 4. When you wake up, wash your hair thoroughly with water and shampoo. We assure you that in the first application, you will notice the amazing changes in your hair. Even so, it is advisable to perform this treatment every week. You can also choose to apply a few drops of natural coconut oil in your hair, and let them act for about 10 to 15 minutes, if you want to give your hair glow and smoothness. If your hair is too oily, just apply the drops of coconut oil on the tips. Coconut oil is also very effective for removing dandruff. Add a little bit of this ingredient to your hair and massage it a bit on your scalp, leave to act for at least 30 minutes, and then rinse with cold water. This is an excellent treatment to combat dandruff. If you have a lot of dandruff, you can do the procedure every time you wash your hair. This video is for information only. At Power Health we have no power to prescribe any medical treatment or make any kind of diagnosis. We invite you to go to a doctor in the case of presenting any type of condition or discomfort. We hope you enjoyed this video and do not forget to share it with your friends and family. Thanks, and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in videos of this type.